Good morning students, welcome to Blue Star Higher Secondary School online class 8 subject physical science chapter 4. Students, already I finished these lessons. Metals and non-metals. Today we will discuss about worksheet for this lesson, metals and non-metals. Students, I have asked 15 questions for you. You only write the answer. First you take A4 sheet, write the date, name, class, subject and lesson name. So first write the questions and think and then write the answer. Okay, so first question I will discuss you. Classify each of the following elements as a metal, non-metal or metalloid. Which one is metal, which one is non-metal, which one is metalloid? I have example of 7 give you. First one is the calcium, silicon, chlorine, potassium, titanium, sulfur and antimony. Which one is metal, which one is non-metal and which one is metalloids? This is first questions. Okay, then one is the next question. Second question, fill in the table which properties are typical of metals and which are typical of non-metals. So second question, fill in the table which properties are typical of metals and which are typical of non-metals. So you first draw the table, property, metals and non-metals. I have give example of 12 properties. For example, first one is the shiny. Shiny is metal or non-metal? Shiny is metal or non-metal? So you write the answer. Shiny conducts heat well, conducts electricity well, feels cold, feels warm, brittle, dense, less dense. Oxide is acidic, oxide is basic, oxide is solid and oxide is gas or liquid. This is 12 example for you. This is the property. You write the answer. Which one is metal and which one is non-metal? Write the answer. Next one is the third question. Choose a non-metal which is essential for living beings during breath. A non-metal which is essential for living being during breath. There are 4 options: nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. Which is the correct answer? Okay. Next question. Metallic oxide or dash in nature. Metallic oxide or dash in nature. Acidic, already you know what is meant by acidic, what is meant by basic and what is meant by neutral. So metallic oxides are dash in nature. Acidic, neutral, basic or none of the above, or none of the above. Which one is the answer? Next, which one of the metal is highly reactive when exposed to oxygen and water? Fifth one, which one of the metal is highly reactive when exposed to oxygen and water? The 4 options I give you: iron, copper, gold and sodium. Iron, copper, gold and sodium. Which is the correct answer? Next, sixth one, which one of the following is not a metal? Which one of the following is not a metal? இது மெட்டலும் கிடையாது, நான் மெட்டலும் கிடையாது. அப்போ எது மெட்டல்? இதில் மெட்டலே எது இல்லை அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. The 4 options are sulfur, mercury, sodium and calcium. Sulfur, mercury, sodium and calcium. Seventh one, how do metals differ from non-metals in their reactivity towards oxygen? Reactivity towards oxygen. The question is, how do metals differ from non-metals in their reactivity towards oxygen? So this write the answer. Okay. Next, 8th question, give 2 example of each of basic oxides, acidic oxide and neutral oxides. So you write the answer for basic oxide, acidic oxides and neutral oxides. So give 2 example each of basic oxide, acidic oxide and neutral oxides. So already you know what is meant by acidic, what is meant by basic and what is meant by oxides. So you write the answer. Next, fill-ups. 9th one, phosphorus is a very dash non-metal. Phosphorus is a very dash non-metal. Second one, iron is dash reactive than copper. Iron is dash reactive than copper. Iron வந்து காப்பர்ல இருந்து அதோட reactions எப்படி involve ஆகும்? That is my questions. Next one. Metals react with acid to produce dash gas. Metals இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க, அது acid கூட react ஆச்சுன்னா என்ன gas produce ஆகும்? Already I told what is the gas are released. Okay. Next. 12th one. Name some common non-metal used in their daily life. Name some common non-metals used in their daily life. Daily lifeல நம்ம என்னென்ன non-metalsலாம் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் வீட்டில், in our home. In your home, what are the non-metals are used? So write the answer. Think it and write the answer. Next. Copper displaces zinc from zinc sulfate solutions. Copper displaces zinc from zinc sulfate solution. Copper displaces zinc from zinc sulfate solutions. What is the answers? True or false? This is true or false. Next. 13th one. Generally, non-metals react with acids. True or false? Non-metals acids கூட react ஆகுமா ஆகாதா? Yes, true or false. Next. Copper displaces zinc from zinc sulfate solution. Copper zinc sulfate displace பண்ணிட்டு அது வந்து involve ஆகுமா? That is my questions. You write the answer true or false. Next. Coal can be drawn into wires. Coal can be drawn into wires. Coal இருக்குல்ல, அதில் வந்து wires prepare பண்ண முடியுமா? That is my questions. You write the answers. Okay. So this is the 15 question for you students. All of you take, once again I tell you, all of you take A4 sheet, write date, name, class, subject, lesson name, write worksheet. First write the questions and then think it and write the answers. All of you do this worksheet in A4 sheet. Okay. Next, I have attached this worksheet in PDF. Okay. So you have any doubt, watch that PDF. Okay. Thank you students.